Welcome back to Unraveling Idioms. Today, we're diving into another captivating phrase, a dime a dozen. Have you ever heard someone say that and wondered what it means? Well, stick around because I'm going to shed some light on this common yet intriguing expression. There are so many apples available that they seem practically worthless, as if they are as common and cheap as a dime. Now, let's apply this to everyday life. When we say something is a dime a dozen, we mean it's extremely common or abundant to the point where it lacks uniqueness or value. It's like saying that item or quality is so prevalent that it's no longer special or noteworthy. This idiom can be used in various contexts, from describing commonplace objects to discussing traits or characteristics. For example, if someone claims to have a unique skill, but it turns out that many others possess the same skill, you might say, "Oh, those skills are a dime a dozen." But here's the fascinating aspect of idioms like a dime a dozen. They offer a vivid snapshot of our perceptions of value and rarity in the world around us. They remind us that true worth often lies in the qualities that set us apart rather than those that are readily available. So, the next time you encounter something that seems abundant or unremarkable, remember the imagery of those plentiful apples and consider whether it's truly something special or just a dime a dozen. Okay, so that's it for today for unraveling an idiom. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful explorations of language that is essential for English learning. Until next time, be sure to subscribe and like this video if you found it useful. Bye for now.